Welcome to 2i Constructions. In this training series, we are going to master one of the most critical topics in civil engineering construction, mass concrete. Now let's be very clear from the beginning. Mass concrete is not defined only by size or volume. It is defined by heat generation, temperature rise, and the risk of thermal cracking. Whenever concrete becomes thick enough that heat cannot escape easily, special control measures are required. That is where mass concrete begins. This complete series is based on internationally recognized standards and real project experience, including ACI 301 Specifications for Structural Concrete or CI 207 Mass Concrete Guidelines, ACI 211 Mix Design Principles, ACI 3188 Structural Design Requirements, and Saudi Mega Project Engineering Standards for project-specific requirements. In Aramco projects, contract documents take highest priority. So always follow project specification first. In this series, you will not only learn theory, you will learn how mass concrete is actually executed on site, including mixed design considerations, thermal control planning, temperature monitoring systems, thermocouple installation and interpretation, QA/QC documentation requirements, and real construction challenges faced on projects. By the end of this series, you will be able to understand mass concrete from design stage to field execution, control thermal cracking risks with proper procedures, and confidently handle QA/QC responsibilities in industrial projects. So whether you are a site engineer, QA/QC inspector, supervisor, or civil engineering student, this series will give you practical knowledge you can directly apply on site. Let's begin the journey into mass concrete.